Yes. So I'm Dr. Linda Davis. I'm a full-time professor at Weber International University, and I am also a part-time CIS professor at South Florida State College. It was very good. I was not aware of uCertify before spring semester, or actually, one of my adjunct professors mentioned it to me in fall of 2025. So I started researching it then. And then, so I thought, we usually don't change in the middle of the school year, but I was very impressed initially with it. And then my adjunct professor that recommended it, he uses it extensively. He's full-time professor at another uh, university. So we gave it a try in the spring, which is unusual for us. And I had always used my own curriculum that I had developed over 30 years being a professor for this particular class. So I was not altogether wanting to change, but I felt like it was worth it just to use the spring semester, which has lower student numbers, just to see like a sampling, would this work for us? And so we worked it out and we got it working, come January of 2026. And it ran really smooth. I was very impressed. And I was able to not only pack in because you guys were so good at customizing. So I didn't really lose my curriculum. You basically created a customized course where you adopted my curriculum. So you made sure that linear regression analysis got taught. You made sure the pivot table got taught. You made sure all the VLOOKUPs, the XLOOKUP, and all that in Excel, was part of the curriculum that you developed for me within uCertify. And it was a lot of work for the students, but
Okay.
it every week, they kept on track, and I can monitor them throughout. We would spend the first minutes, going over any problems they had the previous week, because I would have them maybe an hour and 15 minutes once a week, and the rest of the time they had to do it on their own. So a lot of our incoming students did not have Microsoft Office experience. I suspect they were maybe learning Google Docs in high school, and that's all they knew, if they knew that. And so not only did I have to catch them up on using Microsoft Office effectively, we also had to teach the higher level skills. So that was quite a challenge, and it has been a challenge. And that's one reason I wanted to try uCertify. So I was very pleased. They were able to keep on track. I had a full class for us, would be 25 students, and all but two kept up with it, which was better than it's ever been before. And so the other nice thing that I was able to capitalize on is the fact that after, I could see that they were keeping up with their work. I would then spend the first 5 minutes of class actually teaching them additional things, like here's this new Excel trick that would be great for you to have in your arsenal of Excel skills. And so I would spend 5 minutes demoing that. And then they would, be required to duplicate what I did in class, as also in addition to what they did in uCertify. So I used the full gamut of what uCertify had to offer. And I still had time to teach extra things that I normally would not have had time to teach, in class. And the students liked uCertify. I think they got into a rhythm every week they knew they had all these bite-sized pieces of curriculum and skill levels to achieve each week. And I was just very, impressed with how it worked for them. And they liked it. The reviews showed that they liked using uCertify. I would question them throughout the semester to make sure that, yes, I could track them electronically to make sure they were staying up with it, but I wanted to hear how they enjoyed it. Are they learning? Are they appreciating the curriculum in that way? And I got great feedback from the students on that. Yes, they were very engaged. It was amazing how they had very few questions for me during this semester. And it's not because they weren't interested. It was because they didn't feel the need to ask me that many additional questions, or they didn't have hardly any problems with the uCertify curriculum. They just drove themselves through it every week. And that was surprising because I thought, man, new semester, new curriculum, we're going to have a whole bunch of questions and have to spend a lot of time, recapping a lot of things with them. And that was not the case at all. it with the AI tutor, I think, and just me helping them a little bit here and there. Um, it was very straightforward for them, and I think they just got into a rhythm. Well, they said, there was a lot of work each week, and what they had to learn. I mean, they're not freshmen; they're usually sophomore level students on this particular class. What they said was they learned that they had to, you know, to get all the little bite-sized pieces done every week. They'd have to start like, on Monday. Don't wait till Friday and Saturday to start their work. So I think it taught them it pushed a little bit of the work ethic, to get it done. And they weren't overwhelmed with it, even though it was a lot of little pieces every week. I like the fact that they never felt overwhelmed to me. I noticed the stress level in the class was so much less than what it usually is, because I think the guidance was so good with uCertify. So that was something I just
Awesome.
picked up on, that the stress level was down, even though they had more work to do. I think because uCertify broke it up into bite-sized pieces, that's what kept it from being less stressful and less overwhelming. Because normally my class is a little bit overwhelming because when you don't understand Microsoft Office and you're suddenly asked to do linear regression and shown how to do linear regression analysis, but you don't even have the basics of Excel, that in previous semesters would create a lot of stress. It wasn't bad at all. It's just like any other, new platform. You just have to spend a little time with it. I was lucky that my adjunct, who at least once a week, he's available to me if I had questions, and if I got stuck on anything, I would call him first. But I will say that your support staff was fantastic. If I mean, within minutes of me emailing and saying, "Hey, I've got an issue with this, can you help me?" Or maybe the student says they can't see, um, maybe they felt like they were locked out of something,
Hmm.
You guys, your support staff was so good. The certified support staff was so good in getting back with me, like within minutes, it felt like most of the time, to set up a Zoom and let's see what the student is seeing and let's see if we can't figure it out.
Oh,
Yes. So I was amazed that I'm one of those professors that I use every minute, of that hour and 15 minutes I get with them. And it just, once I realized that, they're not having problems with this, they're doing this on their own and they are, just following it screen by screen by screen to follow, and that you give them written directions on step one, step two, step three, because some of our students, learn want written directions, and then sometime in the plus that little video they always put in there. Okay, this is the written instruction, but here's the video instructions if you prefer to learn by video. And I think that alleviated a lot of me having to go and walk them through it. And so that left a lot of time where, I would give them the choice. If they didn't have any questions, and we already been through our little 5-minute Excel demo. If we've already talked about any problems we had from the previous week's assignments on uCertify, and then, I would let them just continue working quietly, at their desk on their own laptops, working through to get, further along in their uCertify curriculum for that particular week. And, I was amazed how, they just were so, trying to get as much done as they could while they were sitting in the classroom because their lives get very busy once they leave the classroom. And they took advantage of that. So I thought, wow, this is like the easiest class I think I've ever taught because I'm very hands-on. I'm more of a practical professor. And it was just like, this has just freed up time. And then the cool thing was I felt like too was while they're working on it in front of me, and those that got stuck on something, I just, had them pull up a chair, bring their laptop with them, and they would sit beside me, and we would just walk through it, walk through the steps, walk through the video if we needed it, and figure out where they were going wrong with it. And that was, really, it was just kind of the same couple of students. maybe every other week. It wasn't all the students because they didn't have any problems. So I was really expecting the opposite of that. And so I was greatly relieved when I realized that was not going to be the case. We were going to have um, an amazing time, actually, all spring semester. And,
Okay.
I just, experimented with this one class of 25 students because I thought it was a good sample size
Mhm.
before we get into fall, where I tend to teach, 2 and 3 sections of this same class. So, you know, it just went really, really well. I couldn't ask for it to be easier. Yes, I have friends at the state college that I also adjunct at, and they're computer professors as well. And I've told them about it and how, that, and I've used, um, I don't know if I should mention another brand, but I've used another platform that was not near as helpful to the student that they're using now. So I'm hoping they'll look at uCertify and try it out this one of these semesters soon.